I wanted to show a quick tour of the art studio. It's a huge mess in here because we're still in the middle of rearranging, so we've got boxes everywhere. These are boxes just full of art supplies that are still finding a home. We've got this closet that we're finishing out. There's going to be a countertop in here, shelves and storage underneath and above, so that's got to get finished. And then over here, I just have a temporary 4-foot table set up, but this is going to be a nice long countertop. And this is where I'll hopefully be able to do some live streams and some painting. Hopefully I can fit my easel in here. So just have a lot of art supplies that need to be put away. I've got some Patreon backer rewards that are going to get shipped out. Today's my kind of little makeshift ship station too. Bird perch in here. There's my desk over there. Pin display. We're going to hang some more shelves up there for storage and displays. And then on this wall, more shelves, and I've got frames for all this artwork that's going to go up on this wall too. Over here, I've got my laser printer and my shipping label printer, color printer that I print all my stickers with, sticker paper, printer paper, all that fun stuff down there. My Cricut is temporarily in a bag right now until we have a spot for it. So we still have a lot of work to do, but hopefully this week we can get the countertop put up, get more things put away. And then over here we have our nice big sparkly cabinets. They're sparkly. These were garage cabinets. We found like the tallest ones we could. And in here is just more art supplies, massive amount of storage. And then my enamel pens, acrylic charms, and things like that. Over here, one of the 3D printers, another 3D printer down there. And over there's another closet with more art supplies. You can kind of see my vinyl and everything. All my cutting mats are over there too. And more fabric and more art supplies. Back on my husband's computer. So this is also like our shared workspace slash office slash art studio. So yeah, follow along and hopefully we'll get this all set up this week to do some live streams of me painting some of the little mini paintings that will be available on my Kickstarter as add-ons.